If you're looking for a way to save money, simplify your cooking, and help your food stay fresh for longer, the NutriChef Vacuum Sealer is the perfect automatic sealing system for your kitchen. This is an ideal way to save money and time with easy, organized food storage and a faster way to prep your food. The NutriChef Vacuum Sealer preserves food up to 5 times longer than zippered bags or containers. It's easy to operate with its simple plug-in design, soft touch control panel, and LED indicator lights. It features 2 sealing modes for the best possible preservation based on the type of food you want to seal. Dry for solid food items, and moist for marinated, simmered, or steamed foods. Included with the vacuum sealer, you'll find the air hose, a cork wine stopper, along with 5 medium vacuum bags and 1 extra long vacuum bag roll. Both bag styles are waterproof and reusable, so you're ready to seal, store, and save as soon as you have the NutriChef Vacuum Sealer in your kitchen. The NutriChef Vacuum Sealer is the perfect automatic air sealing system for your kitchen. To get started, you can use either one of the 5 medium-sized pre-cut bags or customize one from the vacuum bag roll included. To customize, simply seal the first edge by placing the edge of the bag in between the vacuum chamber. Be sure it isn't too far up or down and reduce any excess liquid in the bag. Lock the lid into place and touch the seal button to begin sealing. Once the LED light turns off, your bag is sealed. Cut the length of the bag you need. Be sure to leave space on the end for sealing. Once you've filled your bag, choose from 2 sealing modes for the best possible preservation: dry for solid items and moist for wet items. Choose the gentle option for delicate foods that require less compression. The NutriChef also comes with an air hose and wine stopper so you can seal your leftover wine. The NutriChef Vacuum Sealer, the best way to keep your foods fresh and your kitchen clean.